BSDU, balik sa dating ugali. I was having a conversation with a friend and he mentioned BSDU. Nagulat ako, ano yung BSDU? Yun pala, balik sa dating ugali. Parang ang hirap magbago, no? We want to improve ourselves, but a lot of times we go back to our old ways. Have we ever actually changed ourselves over the years? Are we getting better or getting worse? Have we eliminated our bad habits? May nag-improve nga ba sa atin? Or BSDU? Pero alam mo, yung change, kulang yung willpower din eh. Kailangan din ng grasya galing sa Diyos. Kailangan pagdasal natin na tulungan tayo ng Diyos to change ourselves. It takes a conscious effort to change. First, let's examine ano ba yung mga ugali na dapat nating palitan. Mainitin ba ang ulo mo? Do you have a tendency to talk bad against people? Matampuhin ka ba? Hirap ka bang magpatawad? Are you difficult to work with? Are you always complaining? These are just some of the things na pwede nating baguhin. Pero naniniwala ako na magbabago din tayo. Hindi madali, pero kaya. It's not just about eliminating our bad habits or bad traits, but replacing it with new ones. And doing the exact opposite of our dating ugali. Kung mainitin ang ulo mo, practice more patience and be kinder with your words. Kung mareklamo ka, be more grateful and say thank you to God more often and thank others as well. My prayer for you is that you experience a positive change in your life because by deliberately changing ourselves, mabibless din yung ibang tao at mag-i-improve din ang ating buhay.